The world of work is changing faster than ever. Jobs we once thought were secure are disappearing, not in some distant future, but right now. Walk into any store and you'll notice something different. Self-checkouts replacing cashiers, AI assistants handling customer service, and software automating tasks that once required entire teams. Most people still think we're in another technological revolution, like the steam engine or the internet. But this is different. We are witnessing the end of jobs as we know them. What's really happening? AI is replacing humans, not just assisting them. Automation is eliminating entire job categories. Big tech is laying off thousands as AI reduces the need for human workers. This isn't speculation, it's already happening. Who's at risk? Customer service, retail and clerical jobs. AI chatbots and self-checkout systems are replacing these roles faster than ever. Software engineers, big tech companies are cutting jobs because AI tools like GitHub Copilot can write and debug code instantly, reducing the need for large teams. Content creators and marketers, AI can now write articles, create videos, and even generate music, replacing traditional creative roles. Even high-skilled jobs like doctors and lawyers are seeing AI integration. AI can analyze X-rays better than radiologists and review legal documents faster than a law firm. The real shift work is no longer about hours. For centuries, jobs were linked to time. More hours meant more pay. But now, AI doesn't work on a schedule. It doesn't take breaks. It doesn't sleep. Productivity is being decoupled from time. People who leverage AI will outperform those who don't. This is why tech layoffs are increasing. Companies don't need thousands of engineers when AI can do the work of hundreds in seconds. How to stay ahead? Forget job security. Focus on adaptability. Learn how to work with AI, not against it. Shift from doing tasks to problem solving and strategy. The divide in the future won't be between humans and AI. It will be between those who embrace AI and those who ignore it. The question is, which side will you be on? If this video gave you something to think about, like share and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's biggest transformations.